To send welcome email via Zapier with your email, the first thing is click the Zap button. On the next page, click Trigger, and then choose your preferred app, let's say Google Sheets, and then choose your preferred trigger event. On this part, click Sign In or Change button to log into your Google Sheets account. Then click Continue. Then choose your preferred spreadsheet and your worksheet. Click Continue. Next is click the plus button and then choose Gmail. For the action event, choose Send Email. On this part, click Change or Sign In button to log into your Gmail account. Then click Continue. And then on this part, just filled out all the information, necessary information. And then on the subject, type in Welcome to make it your welcome email. And then click to continue, Finish Required Fields button. All right, now you know how to send welcome email via Zapier with your email, and watch this playlist if you ever get stuck setting this up.